and welcome back to another PHP tutorial. So in the last video we went ahead and we started defining some variables. But what I want to do now is I want to attach this to a for loop. So for I'll find I equal to 0, semicolon, $I is less than 10, I plus plus. And what that's going to do is it's going to draw this out 10 times. Now I might just take this here so that it splits them and we can have a look at how it's splitting them. Put another BR in there. And so that's a for loop in PHP, although it is also a for loop in other languages like Java, C++, and many other object-oriented languages. So if we go ahead and run this now, we'll save it and reload our window. We have an error which seems to be stemming from not putting a $sign there. So if we go ahead and save that again, go back into our, here you can see we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 posts. Obviously you can't see the bottom two, but you can see that there are there. Alright, so that is how you do for loops on variables in PHP. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Alright, hello there guys. You've obviously made it to the end of the video, so you've obviously enjoyed it or had to watch the whole thing at least. So if you could consider subscribing, that would be a great help to my channel. If you have any suggestions for future videos, make sure to drop them in the comments below. Like the video to show your support to me so that I know whether you like the content that I'm making. And yeah, hope to see you in the